Hey Transformers, what I want to talk to you about today is a nutrient that absolutely everybody takes it every day, but I think a lot of people take it for granted, not knowing how important it is. What I'm talking about is water. So, water is probably the most important nutrient in the body. The body is made up of mostly water. 62% of the body is made up of water. And when I say it's probably the most important nutrient, is because think of it this way: you can actually survive for 30 days without eating as long as you're drinking water, but you can only survive for a few days if you're not drinking water. Every cell needs water to function. It flushes out toxins, it transports nutrients. That's how important it is. Now, during the summertime, in my experience, I've seen a lot of, especially older people, they suffer from dehydration. They don't drink too much, and with the heat, the water in the body gets, they sweat more, so to cool down the body, and they get dehydrated. Some common symptoms of dehydration is they can get headaches, confusion, weakness. So basically, impaired mental and physical functioning. You can get constipation, dry skin. So those are common signs of dehydration. Now, where do you get water? I mean, you just drink tap water is enough. In New York here, we're lucky that our water supply is good enough. Me personally, I just use a filter and I just get tap water. In other states, I have friends who, when I visit, then we have to drink bottled water. But in New York, we're lucky enough. So I want everybody to understand and take advantage of that. I hear people, oh, I don't like the taste of water because it's tasteless. Then you can add some, lemon or citrusy fruits it helps give you a flavor, and also it helps alkalize your body. I myself drink infused water. My mom and my son, they're both drinking infused water also. So it gives you that, that taste. At the same time, it alkalizes your body. Definitely no sugary drinks like soda, coffee, Gatorade, fruit juices. Definitely none of those. All right, just plain old water is good enough. So let me know what you think of this. I'd love to see your comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.